Kalanchoe is one of the easiest and most beautiful plants you can grow indoors or on a balcony. Its colorful flowers, thick green leaves, and low maintenance needs make it perfect for beginners. But here's the thing, most people don't realize how easy it is to mess up Kalanchoe care while growing Kalanchoe, if you don't understand its specific needs. Today, I'll walk you through everything, from Kalanchoe care, growing Kalanchoe in pots, to watering it correctly, choosing the right fertilizer for Kalanchoe, and even some rare tips nurseries won't tell you. Stick around till the end, because I'll share 2 powerful tricks that can help your Kalanchoe bloom longer and grow stronger. Light requirements. The secret to more blooms. Kalanchoe is a succulent, and it loves bright light. If you want to grow Kalanchoe indoors, place it near a south-facing or west-facing window where it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight every day. If there is no bright light, use a grow light to help it thrive. Without proper light, Kalanchoe becomes leggy, weak, and won't flower. Pro tip: rotate your Kalanchoe pot every few days so all sides get equal light. This helps keep the plant's shape even and balanced. Watering is one of the trickiest parts of Kalanchoe care. Since it's a succulent, the water requirement for Kalanchoe is low compared to regular plants. Here's the rule. Let the top 2 inches of soil dry out before watering again. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply until it drains out the bottom, then empty the saucer. Never let your Kalanchoe sit in water, it leads to root rot, and it is deadly while growing Kalanchoe. Extra tip: during winter, water even less. The plant slows down and needs less moisture in winter. Watering every 10 to 14 days may be enough in colder months. So, let's talk about soil mix. What nurseries don't tell you. Kalanchoe absolutely hates soggy soil. For perfect Kalanchoe care, you need to use a fast-draining soil mix. You can make your own by mixing 2 parts cactus or succulent soil, 1 part perlite or coarse sand, and 1 part regular potting soil. This mix gives the roots just the right balance of air and moisture. And don't forget, always grow Kalanchoe in pots with drainage holes. Without that, water gets trapped and the roots start to rot. Alright, let's move on to fertilizer for Kalanchoe. Keep it simple, but smart. Kalanchoe isn't a heavy feeder, but the right fertilizer makes a big difference in blooming. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, like 10-10-10 or 20-20-20, once a month during the growing season, which is spring and summer. If you want more flowers, choose a fertilizer with higher phosphorus, like 10-15-10. Here's a pro gardener trick for you. Once a month, mix in a little banana peel water or crushed eggshells for extra potassium and calcium. This helps boost flower growth naturally. Important note, don't fertilize in winter. Your Kalanchoe is resting and doesn't need extra food. Pruning and deadheading, the easy way to get more flowers. To keep your Kalanchoe blooming and bushy, prune it regularly. Once the flowers fade, cut them off. This tells the plant to produce new buds. If your plant starts looking tall and stretched, cut back the stems by about 1/3. It will grow back thicker and healthier. Pro tip: you can use the trimmed stems to grow more plants. Let the cutting dry for a day, then stick it in dry soil. That's how you grow Kalanchoe from cuttings. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make a detailed propagation video for Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe prefers warm temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. If it drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, the plant can suffer. If it is indoors, it's usually safe, but watch out for cold drafts near windows in winter. And one important tip is, in winter the plant slows down. This is normal. Reduce watering, skip fertilizer, and give it bright light. That's all it needs. Alright, let's dive into pests and diseases and what you should keep an eye out for. Now, Kalanchoe plants are generally pretty resistant, but every now and then, pests might make an appearance. So, you'll want to watch out for a few common culprits: aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. If you happen to notice tiny bugs or those pesky white fuzzy spots, don't worry too much. Just give your plant a good spray with neem oil or soapy water every 7 to 10 days. That should do the trick. Also, check for yellow leaves, which usually means too much water or poor drainage, and it's actually not a pest problem. 8. 2 bloom-boosting tricks nurseries rarely mention. Trick 1. Simulate short days. To make Kalanchoe bloom again, it needs 14 hours of darkness for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can place a box over it or move it to a dark closet every evening. After a few weeks of this short day treatment, your plant will start blooming again, like clockwork. Trick 2. Slight stress technique. Let the soil dry a bit more than usual for 1 to 2 days before your next watering. This gentle stress tells the plant to bloom as a survival mechanism. And make sure you use this only on mature, healthy Kalanchoe plant. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about growing Kalanchoe and giving it the best care, from watering and soil to rare blooming tricks and the perfect fertilizer for Kalanchoe. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, and share it with someone who's just getting into gardening. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly plant care guides. Your small support means a world to me and helps to educate more people. Let's make the world a better place together. See you in the next one, and happy growing.